back on site. Got to install a drywell on this site. It's over here in the corner. We do have our water line. We have to be careful. We already put the sewer line in, as you guys saw on this project. We're back in the sand pit. So we're going to do a 4-foot drywell, 4-foot diameter, 2-foot dig all the way around the 4-foot to put the stone in, and underneath shot our benchmark, which is our top of manhole, 54 inches down. Would give us 6 inches lower from that manhole to the top of the grate. This is an open dry well, so everything could run in from the yards, and we're going to plug in from the house SDR 35 green pipe, which is up on the porch. So basically, sub pump I put in here. Go back in the videos if you haven't seen this project yet. I'm not sure how much I filmed on it, but definitely did the excavation of this house. So sub pit here, there'll be a pit pump in there, and it's going to pump into our pipe, into our dry well, and then we're also going to create a swale here. Just his whole yard pitched to this. We got the PC 35 and the SVL 90. I did mark the water line there just so we do not come close to it, and we are further enough away there to have good coverage. There's my circle. Outside line, let's dig it. You know, it's sand, so it's going to cave in, but we got to go 54 inches down from top of manhole. Okie dokie, just going to dig a circle. Little technique maybe, I don't know, just dig the center out and then cave it all into it. Get the dirt as far away as you can, as far as your machine will reach. We'll dig the center, cave it into it, play that game. Hopefully we don't hit a stump, a rooski. This machine is not powerful enough to take out a twig. That's the truth. These 35s are limited, I'll tell you. You learn that. They're good for what they are, but they buck you around, you jump around, they're just I don't know. right, all dug. We're just going to true up the bottom, throw some stone in it, be good to go. Wrap this hole outside with fabric, put pins in it. I'll show you that as we go. And then fill the rest with stone all the way around the dry well. This is an open grate system. Some are closed. This is open grate to get all the runoff from the you know, gutters and rainwater and everything else. So this is what I mean by open grate. It's like a manhole like you would see in a street. This is a grate where water could go in, and this is our soil. We're going to pitch it so it all goes in there. Some dry wells are closed completely. They don't have this riser and grate system. It's just a concrete top, which is fine if you just want to collect water from your basement or whatnot, washer machines, stuff like that, gray water. All right, grab yourself some staples, some landscape staples. Throw your fabric in like so. Just gonna, it's the same staples I use for all fabric, you know. You just get these at your local supply house. Grab it, push it in like so. We'll walk this right around. We'll do a double layer to get to the bottom. All right, fabric's all in. I flashed it. I put the lower piece under that so when the stone comes down, it don't fold it over. Nice and nice. Oh yeah, we got our little dry well. Cute little guy. Where's our cap? And that's the cap and grate. And that's the dry well. Hole goes that way. find its home. Let's find its home. Yeah. Let's see, do I have the scars?
Too much.
All right, inspection was good for the drywell. They got to come back after I get the pipe in. Guess they don't trust me. I'm just gonna slap these in. These are glued SDR. Sometimes I get the gasketed ones, which are easier to use, and they come in 14-foot sticks, but I had a bunch left over from another job, so the purple is the cleaner. I'm gonna slap some glue on it right now. Use yourself a concrete pinch bar. One of my YouTuber pals, subscribers, said go get yourself one of these. So I did. I had a flat bar and it kind of bent. This thing's heavy duty. That's it. Oh yeah, that bar, slick ticket. Slick ticket, for sure. All right, the last stretch, we got our 90 on, our stub going into the house, all the way back to the tank. Good to go, just gotta measure this piece. Oh yeah. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, hydraulic cement, the final touch. All the way around, tap your pipe, jiggle it, I already did that a couple times. It goes around it. You just pick it up and jiggle the top like this. We'll follow the bottom of the pipe and then take your finger and make sure it's good. Looking good. Stone time. Yeah, tilt bucket coming in handy. Far left corner. Okay, everything just passed inspection. Just make sure your pipe's all padded up like I got before you slam a bunch of dirt on it. Fabric around on top of the stone, and then I cut an additional piece to go over the grate. Put stone on your four corners. That's so when you're backfilling the grade and this, no dirt goes in there. You're good to go. Dirt goes on top of this part. Cover it up, pitch everything to this grate. All right, looks like I'm gonna cut out early on this Friday. That come out sweet. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. This is a quick, easy video. Simple task. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put the parts together and got my swale going down right to it. This will be all graded off to there, and what's left here is just a driveway. That's it. Stay tuned to the channel.